Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Lipoprotein. Lipoproteins, you have the chylomicrons. So chylomicrons, the source is derived from the intestinal absorption, and this is of the triacylglycerol and also some other lipids. The action is it carries exogenous and the dietary triacylglycerol, and this is from the intestine to the peripheral organs. Then moving on to the VLDL. VLDL is the very low density lipoprotein. It is derived from the liver. It carries endogenous triacylglycerol from liver to the peripheral organs. So previously chylomicrons, it carries exogenous triacylglycerol from the intestine to the peripheral organs, and here it is the endogenous from the liver to the peripheral organs. Next we move on to the LDL. So what is LDL? LDL is derived. It is derived from the VLDL. So VLDL, it is involved in the cholesterol process, cholesterol transport. Now we move on to the high density lipoproteins. High density lipoproteins are known as HDL, and it is derived from the liver, the intestine, the VLDL, as well as the chylomicrons. Then the action of HDL, it is involved in reverse cholesterol and also the phospholipid transport, and in VLDL and the chylomicron metabolism. Then comes the intermediate density lipoprotein. It is also known as IDL. So here the source is the VLDL. And the action is triacylglycerol and also the cholesterol transport. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.